Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Climate Change Performance Index 2022, that is CCPI. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. India has retained its spot in the top 10 best performing countries for the third year in a row in the Global Climate Change Performance Index or CCPI. Now let's have a look at the key highlights of index. Scandinavian countries lead the way in climate protection together with Morocco and the United Kingdom. Leaders Denmark, Sweden and Norway occupy ranks 4 through 6 in the new Climate Change Performance Index or CCPI 2022. Places 1 to 3 again remain vacant because no country's measures thus far have been sufficient to achieve an overall very high rating. None are following a path necessary to keep global warming within the 1.5 degrees Celsius limit. Scandinavian countries achieved the best results, mainly thanks to their outstanding efforts in renewable energy. In the overall ranking, Australia, Kazakhstan, Russia, Saudi Arabia, and South Korea are among the worst performers. China, the biggest current polluter, figured at 37th position, that is down from 33rd last year, while the second most current emitter, the US, was at 55th spot in the CCPI 2022. From the G20 countries, only the EU, along with the UK and India, rank among the high performers, while 6 G20 countries are very low performers. Now let's discuss about CCPI, that is Climate Change Performance Index. CCPI is published by German Watch, the New Climate Institute and the Climate Action Network annually since 2005. Moving on to the scope of index, it is an independent monitoring tool for tracking the climate protection performance of 57 countries and the European Union. These countries together generate 90% plus of global greenhouse gas emissions. Moving on to the aim of index, CCPI aims to enhance transparency in international climate politics and enables comparison of climate protection efforts and progress made by individual countries. Now the criteria, the CCPI looks at 4 categories with 14 indicators. Greenhouse gas emissions, that is 40% of the overall score, renewable energy with 20%, energy use with 20%, and climate policy with 20% of the overall score. Now let's discuss the India's performance in the index. India retains its 10th place in the ranking and is a high performer except for its rank in the renewable energy category, where it is rated medium. The country still benefits from its relatively low per capita emissions. However, in the midterm trend, these are quickly rising and only the ambitious implementation of strong climate targets can prevent India from falling in the CCPI ranking. Now lastly, prelims-based question. Consider the following statement or statements regarding Global Climate Change Performance Index or CCPI 2022. 1. It has been released by German Watch, the New Climate Institute and the Climate Action Network annually since 2005. 2. India has retained its spot in the top 10 best performing countries for the third year in a row in CCPI. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.